حدثنا يعقوب بن إبراهيم قال حدثنا ابن علي عن عبد العزيز بن صهيب عن أنس عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. وحدثنا آدم قال حدثنا شعبة عن قتادة عن أنس قال قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والده وولده والناس أجمعين.
Narrated Anas. The Prophet said, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father, his children, and all mankind.
حدثنا محمد بن المثنى قال حدثنا عبد الوهاب الثقفي قال حدثنا أيوب عن أبي قلابة عن أنس رضي الله عنه عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: ثلاث من كن فيه وجد حلاوة الإيمان: أن يكون الله ورسوله أحب إليه مما سواهما، وأن يحب المرء لا يحبه إلا لله، وأن يكره أن يعود في الكفر كما يكره أن يقذف في النار.
Narrated Anas. The Prophet said, whoever possesses the following three qualities will have the sweetness, delight of faith. 1. The one to whom Allah and His Apostle becomes dearer than anything else. 2. Who loves a person, and he loves him only for Allah's sake. 3. Who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, as he hates to be thrown into the fire.
حدثنا أبو الوليد قال حدثنا شعبة قال أخبرني عبد الله بن جبر قال سمعت أنسا عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: آية الإيمان حب الأنصار، وآية النفاق بغض الأنصار.
Narrated Anas. The Prophet said, love for the Ansar is a sign of faith, and hatred for the Ansar is a sign of hypocrisy. Narrated Ubadah bin as-Samit, who took part in the Battle of Badr and was a Nakib, a person heading a group of 6 persons, on the night of Al-Aqaba pledge. Allah's Apostle said, while a group of his companions were around him, swear allegiance to me for 1. Not to join anything in worship along with Allah. 2. Not to steal. 3. Not to commit illegal sexual intercourse. 4. Not to kill your children. 5. Not to accuse an innocent person, to spread such an accusation among people. 6. Not to be disobedient when ordered to do good deed. The Prophet added, whoever among you fulfills his pledge will be rewarded by Allah. And whoever indulges in any one of them, except the ascription of partners to Allah, and gets the punishment in this world, that punishment will be an expiation for that sin. And if one indulges in any of them, and Allah conceals his sin, it is up to him to forgive or punish him in the hereafter. Ubadah bin as-Samit added, so we swore allegiance for these.